Hello, my darlings. Today we're embarking on a delicious journey to unlock the secret to radiant skin and boundless energy. Juicing is a wonderful way to nourish your body from the inside out, and I have the most divine recipe to share with you. It's bursting with vibrant fruits and vegetables that will leave you feeling and looking absolutely fabulous. This isn't just any juice, it's a symphony of flavor and goodness. We'll be using ingredients that are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all working together to give your skin a healthy glow and keep your energy levels soaring. Let's meet the stars of our juice, shall we? These ingredients are not just delicious, but also packed with nutrients that your skin will absolutely love. First up, we have luscious berries like strawberries and blueberries. These little gems are not only tasty, but also incredibly beneficial for your skin. They're bursting with antioxidants that help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants are essential for maintaining a youthful and vibrant complexion. Think of them as tiny but mighty warriors fighting for your skin's radiance. They help reduce inflammation and can even assist in repairing skin cells. Next, we have the mighty beetroot. Don't let its vibrant color fool you. This root vegetable is a true beauty booster. It's rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for skin health. It helps purify your blood, giving your skin that gorgeous, healthy glow we all crave. Beetroot is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce redness and puffiness. And of course, no energy-boosting juice is complete without leafy green vegetables. These greens are packed with essential nutrients that your body and skin need to thrive. Spinach, for instance, is like a vitamin and mineral powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and magnesium, all of which are crucial for healthy skin. It provides a natural energy lift and supports collagen production for youthful-looking skin. So next time you sip on your juice, remember you're not just nourishing your body, but also giving your skin the love it deserves. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the recipe. This isn't just any recipe, it's a journey to a healthier, more radiant you. Don't worry, my darlings, it's as simple as it is delicious. You don't need to be a master chef to create this vibrant blend. 1/2 cup strawberries hulled. These little red gems are packed with antioxidants. Asterisk. 1 cup blueberries bursting with flavor and nutrients. 1/2 green apple cored and chopped. The crispness of the apple adds a refreshing twist. 1/2 beetroot peeled and chopped. This root vegetable gives our blend a beautiful color and earthy flavor. A handful of spinach leaves. These greens are a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. 1. Wash and prepare all your fruits and vegetables. Make sure everything is clean and ready to go. 2. Add all the ingredients to your juicer, starting with the leafy greens. This helps to ensure they blend smoothly. 3. If needed, add a splash of water to help the juicing process along. This will make the blend smoother and easier to drink. 4. Once everything is juiced, give it a good stir and pour yourself a glass of this vibrant elixir. Enjoy the fresh, invigorating taste and the boost of energy it provides. Cheers to your health and radiance. Section 4. Beyond the blend, how this juice works wonders. You might be wondering how this simple combination of fruits and vegetables can have such a remarkable impact on your skin and energy levels. It's not just about the individual ingredients, but how they work together in harmony. Well, let me tell you, it's all about synergy. When you blend these fruits and vegetables, their nutrients combine to create a powerful elixir that your body can easily absorb and utilize. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in these ingredients work together to fight free radicals, those pesky molecules that can damage your cells and accelerate aging. This means that every sip of this juice is like a mini health boost, working to protect your body from the inside out. By neutralizing free radicals, this juice helps protect your skin from premature aging, keeping it looking youthful and radiant. Imagine having a natural glow that makes you feel confident and vibrant every day. Moreover, the natural sugars in the fruits provide a healthy energy boost, giving you that extra pep in your step without the crash that comes from processed sugars. While the fiber helps slow down sugar absorption, preventing those dreaded energy crashes, this means you can enjoy sustained energy throughout the day, helping you stay active and focused on your tasks. So, next time you reach for a snack, Consider this juice as a delicious and nutritious option that supports your overall well-being. Section 5. Embrace the glow, your journey to radiant skin and energy. There you have it, my darlings, the ultimate juice recipe for glowing skin and boundless energy. Incorporate this vibrant elixir into your daily routine and watch as your skin transforms and your energy levels soar. Remember, true beauty radiates from within. By nourishing your body with wholesome, nutrient-rich foods like this juice, you're not just improving your skin and energy, you're investing in your overall well-being. So go ahead, treat yourself to a glass of this deliciousness and embrace the radiant, energetic you.